Welcome to Bite Size. As a leader, many times we fall into the trap to think that people or a company provide for us. But according to my understanding, my belief system, God is our source. God is our and your provider. So take that stress off you. May you do what you can do, and may you trust God to do the stuff that you cannot do. It's not a company, it's not people that is your source. God is our source. He's still today Jehovah Jireh, the Lord, our provider. And I believe if you and I keep on doing what we should be doing, He will keep on providing in every need of our lives. You are not working for a company. You are not working for people. You are working for the one that created me and you fearfully and wonderfully. May you be the best leader you can be. Cheers.